In our daily lives, we often encounter situations that demand quick calculations. Imagine you are at the grocery store. You need to keep track of your spending. You need to make sure you stay within your budget. Mental calculation skills are valuable in these situations. They save time and prevent errors. Quick calculations are not limited to grocery shopping. They are useful in various aspects of life. From managing finances to dividing bills with friends, the ability to calculate swiftly simplifies everyday tasks. It empowers us to make informed decisions on the spot. This is where the ancient tool, the abacus, comes into play. The abacus, a simple yet powerful calculating device, has been around for centuries. It originated in ancient civilizations. Evidence suggests its presence in ancient Rome, Greece, and China. The abacus consists of a frame with rods. Beads are strung on these rods. Each bead represents a specific numerical value. The abacus was widely used for trade and commerce. It helped merchants calculate prices and keep track of transactions. Over time, the abacus spread to different parts of the world. It adapted to various cultures. The abacus remains a valuable tool for teaching mathematics. It is especially popular in Asia. In today's digital age, calculators are ubiquitous. They provide instant results for complex calculations. However, for basic arithmetic, the abacus can be surprisingly faster. Skilled abacus users often outperform calculators. The tactile nature of the abacus enhances speed, concentration, and accuracy. Section 4. Mental Math Mastery with the Abacus. Using an abacus offers numerous cognitive benefits, particularly in enhancing mental math abilities. Regular abacus practice strengthens memory and improves number sense. It allows individuals to visualize numbers and their relationships, making complex calculations easier to grasp. Furthermore, abacus training enhances concentration and focus. The repetitive motion of moving beads requires precision and attention to detail, sharpening the mind's ability to stay engaged. These cognitive benefits extend beyond mathematics, positively impacting learning and problem-solving skills in various aspects of life. Section 5. Addition and Subtraction on the Abacus, a Beginner's Guide. Let's start with addition. Each rod on the abacus represents a place value, ones, tens, hundreds, and so on. The beads on the lower deck represent the numbers 1 to 4. The beads on the upper deck represent 5. To add, move beads towards the center beam. For example, to add 3 plus 2, move 3 beads on the ones rod towards the beam, then 2 more. The total is the number of beads touching the beam. Subtraction works in reverse. Move beads away from the center beam. To subtract 2 from 5, move 2 beads away from the beam on the ones rod, leaving 3 beads touching the beam. With practice, you can perform these operations quickly and effortlessly. Section 6. Unleashing your inner mathematician. Learning to use an abacus is an enriching experience. It unlocks a world of mental math capabilities. It enhances cognitive skills. The abacus serves as a bridge between ancient wisdom and modern learning. It makes math enjoyable and accessible to people of all ages. So why not embark on this journey of numerical exploration? Discover the joy of calculating with an abacus. Unleash your inner mathematician. Experience the transformative power of this timeless tool.